If you're a freelancer, consultant, or an agency, then listen up close. Today, I want to share a golden opportunity with you, which you can leverage to generate monthly recurring profits. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, then watch this short video very carefully. Due to COVID-19, local businesses are struggling to survive. They have witnessed a huge loss due to the pandemic. Even after the lockdown is lifted, businesses are not able to revive. With newly introduced social distancing norms, it's getting harder to get enough footfalls to break even. People are scared to go to public places. So local businesses have to get the trust back from customers in order to survive and grow. The new definition of offline trust is going contactless. To reinstate that trust, we have created a solution that will enable local businesses to go contactless and in turn get that trust back. Introducing ZeroTouch Agency, a contactless order management system with inbuilt CRM and payments enable that agencies, freelancers, and consultants can sell to local businesses at ease. ZeroTouch lets customers browse catalogs, place orders, and get it fulfilled without ever touching anything. It works in 3 simple steps for customers. Step 1. Customer scans a barcode from their phone. Step 2. Customers order it via the website online. Step 3. The order is delivered to the customers. No queues, no waiting, no touch. These mobile-first contactless stores can be completely customized to any language and any currency. It's the modern way to sell in-store, and every local business needs this today. At ZeroTouch Agency, we are helping freelancers, agency owners, and consultants to set this system and sell it to local businesses. You will help in empowering local businesses, and they will reward you with cash for the solution you gave to them. ZeroTouch can work for almost any kind of local business: grocery stores, bakeries, furniture shops, electronics, ice cream parlors, salons, cosmetics, cafes, restaurants, bars, etc. Almost every local business you can think of needs this. ZeroTouch is very easy to set up, and you will have our guidance all the way with detailed training. Just think about the amount of happiness ZeroTouch Agency will add to local business owners' life. You'll be doing a huge favor to them by helping them revive their business. Now, if you take action today, you will be getting ZeroTouch Agency enterprise-grade software as a service for a low one-time investment. And not just that, you will be getting a commercial license included too, so you can sell this as a service to local businesses. You will also be covered by our ironclad 30 days money-back guarantee. Now, if you want the pie of that monthly recurring profits, then click the button below to get instant access to ZeroTouch Agency. We look forward to hearing your success stories, and we know you are looking forward to your bulging wallet.